Since you can't take surge protectors on cruise ships, this was a great find for us. It's small for packing and let us keep our phones charged with the USB outlets and a couple of electrical devices plugged in. We now keep this in our random bag of cruise accessories that we make sure to take on each trip. Great power strip with USB charging. It works perfectly and helps with all our charging needs. Its compact size makes it great for traveling. Hotels and cruise ships usually never have enough electrical outlets for our charging needs, but this compact power strip solves our problem. My husband and I each have our own. Highly recommended if you like to travel. I took this on a recent trip to Europe, and on a cruise, and it was just what I needed. Charges 3 items on USB without having to drag around 3 separate chargers, with 2 more regular outlets.